is Robert Kendia.
And my name is Zebra.
We're from Group 1. Today, we will tell about you
How to make orange juice.
So, keep watching guys!
Hello everyone, welcome to my top mini show. Today, we will talk about healthy drinks. We have one guest with us today.
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me today.
So, what is your favorite healthy drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Why do you like orange juice?
Because it's fresh, healthy, and
So great. Can you show me how to make it?
sure, I will show you the step.
So, let's go.
First, prepare the material and tools. We need blender, scissors, cup, and some oranges. After that, peel off the orange. And then, cut the inside of the orange to remove the seeds. And don't forget to add some water. Next, turn on the blender. It's done. Pink orange juice ready to drink. Nah, this is for you.
Wow, thank you. Oh, lezat sekali.
It's very delicious. Cheers. Order kami ya?
Apa tadi? We have was dress. Hello everyone, welcome to my That's so great.
Anh tính sao rồi để anh tính sao?
Good. This is cameraman. Ini behind the screen ya teman-teman.